The secret of being happy. Happiness is a universal pursuit. From ancient philosophers to modern scientists, everyone has tried to decode the secret to a happy life. While happiness can be elusive and means different things to different people, there are some universal principles and real-life examples that provide insight into achieving lasting happiness. Today, I will share with you the secrets of being happy, supported by real examples that demonstrate how these principles work in everyday life. 1. Understanding happiness. Before diving into the secrets of happiness, it's crucial to understand what happiness truly is. Happiness isn't just a fleeting emotion or a momentary feeling of pleasure. It is a state of well-being and contentment, where one feels satisfied with life and experiences positive emotions regularly. Example: Viktor Frankl's resilience. Viktor Frankl, a Holocaust survivor and renowned psychiatrist, found happiness even in the direst of circumstances. In his book Man's Search for Meaning, Frankl describes how finding purpose and meaning in life, even amidst immense suffering, can lead to a profound sense of happiness. His resilience and positive outlook, despite the horrors of the concentration camps, underscore that happiness often stems from within, not external conditions. 2. Cultivating positive relationships. Human beings are inherently social creatures, and positive relationships significantly contribute to our happiness. Building and nurturing strong, supportive relationships with family, friends, and even colleagues can greatly enhance our sense of well-being. Example: the Harvard Study of Adult Development. One of the longest-running studies on happiness, the Harvard Study of Adult Development, followed 724 men for over 75 years. The study revealed that the quality of relationships was the most significant predictor of happiness. Those who maintained close, meaningful relationships were happier and healthier than those who did not. This highlights the importance of investing time and effort into cultivating positive relationships. 3. Practicing gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful practice that can transform our perspective on life. By focusing on what we have, rather than what we lack, we can shift our mindset from scarcity to abundance, leading to greater happiness. Example: Oprah Winfrey's Gratitude Journal. Oprah Winfrey, one of the most influential media personalities, credits much of her happiness and success to her practice of keeping a gratitude journal. Every day, she writes down things she is grateful for, which helps her maintain a positive outlook on life. This simple yet profound practice can help anyone cultivate a sense of appreciation and joy in their daily lives. 4. Finding purpose and meaning. A sense of purpose and meaning in life is essential for long-term happiness. When we engage in activities that align with our values and passions, we experience a deep sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. Example: Malala Yousafzai's advocacy. Malala Yousafzai, the youngest Nobel Prize laureate, found her purpose in advocating for girls' education. Despite facing life-threatening obstacles, her unwavering commitment to her cause brings her immense happiness and fulfillment. Her example shows that when we dedicate ourselves to a meaningful pursuit, we can experience profound joy and satisfaction. 5. Embracing mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation are practices that help us stay present and fully engage with the moment. These practices can reduce stress, increase self-awareness, and enhance overall well-being. Example: John Kabat-Zinn's mindfulness-based stress reduction. John Kabat-Zinn, a pioneer in the field of mindfulness, developed the mindfulness-based stress reduction (MBSR) program to help people cope with stress and pain. Thousands of people who have practiced MBSR report increased happiness and reduced stress. This demonstrates that mindfulness and meditation can be powerful tools for cultivating happiness. 6. Engaging in physical activity. Regular physical activity is not only beneficial for our physical health but also for our mental well-being. Exercise releases endorphins, known as feel-good hormones, which can improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Example: Richard Branson's active lifestyle. Richard Branson, the founder of the Virgin Group, is an avid proponent of physical activity. He engages in various sports and outdoor activities, which he credits for his high energy levels and positive outlook on life. His active lifestyle is a testament to the positive impact of exercise on happiness and overall well-being. 7. Developing resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity and maintain a positive outlook despite challenges. Developing resilience can help us navigate life's ups and downs with grace and optimism. Example, J.K. Rowling's journey. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, faced numerous rejections and personal struggles before achieving success. Her resilience and determination enabled her to overcome obstacles and ultimately find happiness and fulfillment in her writing career. Her story illustrates the importance of resilience in achieving long-term happiness. 8. Practicing acts of kindness. Engaging in acts of kindness, whether big or small, can boost our happiness. Helping others not only makes them feel good but also enhances our own sense of purpose and connection. Example, the Random Acts of Kindness Foundation. The Random Acts of Kindness Foundation encourages people to perform acts of kindness, such as paying for someone's coffee or volunteering at a local shelter. Research shows that such acts of kindness can increase happiness and create a ripple effect, inspiring others to spread kindness as well. 9. Pursuing personal growth. Continuous personal growth and self-improvement contribute to a sense of accomplishment and happiness. Setting and achieving goals, learning new skills, and expanding our horizons can enhance our overall well-being. Example, Elon Musk's lifelong learning. Elon Musk, the entrepreneur behind Tesla and SpaceX, is known for his insatiable curiosity and commitment to learning. His dedication to personal growth and innovation not only drives his professional success but also contributes to his personal happiness. Musk's example shows that a commitment to lifelong learning can lead to greater fulfillment and joy. 10. Balancing work and leisure. Finding a balance between work and leisure is crucial for maintaining happiness. While hard work is important, it's equally essential to make time for relaxation and activities that bring joy. Example, Arianna Huffington's emphasis on work-life balance. Arianna Huffington, the founder of the Huffington Post, experienced burnout due to overwork. This led her to prioritize work-life balance and advocate for the importance of rest and relaxation. Her shift in focus towards well-being and balance has positively impacted her happiness and productivity, demonstrating the value of maintaining a healthy equilibrium between work and leisure. Conclusion. The secret to being happy is not a one-size-fits-all formula but a combination of various factors that contribute to our overall well-being. By cultivating positive relationships, practicing gratitude, finding purpose, embracing mindfulness, engaging in physical activity, developing resilience, performing acts of kindness, pursuing personal growth, and balancing work and leisure, we can create a fulfilling and happy life. Remember, happiness is a journey, not a destination. It requires continuous effort and a positive mindset. By incorporating these principles into our daily lives and learning from the examples of those who have found happiness, we can unlock the secret to lasting joy and fulfillment. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends.